Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream in a mason jar. First, gather your ingredients: cold heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. Make sure your mason jar is clean and dry. Chilling everything beforehand is key for the best results. You'll be shaking the jar vigorously until the cream thickens to a delightful consistency, perfect for any dessert. For perfect whipped cream, start with 1 cup of very cold heavy cream. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, adjusting to your taste. Finally, incorporate 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Remember, keeping your cream, sugar, and even the jar chilled will significantly improve your whipping success. Once your ingredients are in, fill the mason jar no more than 2/3 full to allow room for expansion. Secure the lid tightly to avoid any messy spills. Now, shake the jar continuously and vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice a change in sound and feel as the cream begins to thicken inside. Stop shaking when the cream forms soft peaks, meaning it holds its shape but is still light. Be careful not to overshake, or you might end up with butter. For the best texture and flavor, serve your freshly made whipped cream immediately. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, ready for your next treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.